Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to top 100 cybersecurity threats and solution. I am Dr. Anjani. Welcome to our YouTube channel. These explain lecture will help to prepare your future exam, interview and deepen understanding of cyber forensic, cyber security and much more. Let's first cybersecurity is credential phishing. Credential phishing is a type of cyber attack where attacker masquerade legitimate entities to track individual into divulging sensitive information such as username, password, or financial data. Solution: implement email filtering and spam phishing technology to detect and block phishing email before they reach user inboxes, reducing the likelihood of successful credential theft. Enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) for accessing sensitive account system to add an extra layer of security and migrate the risks of unauthorized access even if credentials are compromised. Say another is phishing attack. Phishing attacks involve fraudulent attempt to obtain sensitive information such as username, password, and financial details by posing as a trustworthy entity. Solution: implement email filter to detect and block phishing attempts. Train employee. If you are company owner, train employee to recognize phishing tactics and report suspicious email. To use two multi-authentication factor, two-step authentication factor to an extra layer of security. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts the lack of user out of their system, demanding payment usually in cryptocurrency for decryption or restoration of access. Solution: regularly update software and system to patch known vulnerability. Educate employee about phishing tactics and encourage caution online behavior. Maintain robust backup system or restore without paying ransom. SIM swapping. SIM swapping also now today SIM swapping is stopped, but previous SIM swapping also known as SIM hijacking. It is social engineering technique used by attacker to fraudulently transfer the victim phone number to a SIM card under the attacker control, allowing them to interrupt call, SMS message or two-factor authentication code. But nowadays extra layer of authentication or SIM pin is required for the escape from SIM swapping. Solution: enable additional layer of authentication such as biometric verification, security question or PIN code to validate SIM card swaps and prevent unauthorized changes to user account or phone number. Side channel attack. Side channel attack exploit unintended information leaked from physical or implementation characteristic of computing system to extract sensitive information or cryptographic key. Solution: implement a countermeasure such as constant time algorithmic mistake or cryptographic binding to migrate side channel vulnerability and prevent attacker from exploiting timing, power, or electromagnetic side channel to extra sensitive data. Employ hardware-based security mechanisms such as THSMS or secure enclave to isolate sensitive computation and cryptographic operation from side channel attacks. IoT firmware vulnerability. Lot firmware vulnerability after to security flaw or weakness present in the firmware of Internet of Things lot devices like a smartwatch example, which can be exploited by attacker to compromise device security or privacy. Solution: implement secure firmware development practices including code review, static analysis, and vulnerability assessment to identify and remediate security flaw in load device firmware before deployment. Establish secure boot mechanism, firmware sign-in and over-the-air OTA update capability to ensure the authenticity, integrity, and time development of firmware. Data manipulation attack. Data manipulation attack involve unauthorized alteration or modification to data stored in database file or application repositories, compromising data integrity and reliability. Solution: implement data integrity checks, cryptographic hashing, or digital signature to verify the integrity and authenticity of data at rest and in transit, protecting against unauthorized modification or tampering attempts. Enforce access control, role-based permission, and audit trends to track changes to sensitivity data, ensuring traceability of data manipulation activity by authorized users. Cross-site request forgery (CSRF). Cross-site request forgery (CSRF) attacks exploit the trust relationship between a user browser and a web application to execute unauthorized action on behalf of user without their consent. Solution: implement anti-CSRF token within web application to validate the authenticity of income request and prevent CSRF attack by verifying that each request originated from a legitimate source. SOP and SORS headers to restrict cross-origin requests and prevent malicious websites from accessing sensitive data or invoking action on behalf of authentic user. DNS tunneling. DNS tunneling is a technique used by attackers to bypass network security control by encapsulating data within DNS query and responses, allowing them to exfiltrate data or communicate with command and control server covertly. Solution: monitor DNS traffic for anomalies such as usually high query rates, long domain name, or unexpected data payload, which may indicate DNS tunneling activity. implement DNS security solution such as DNS firewall, DNS ink holing, or threat intelligence feeds to detect and block malicious DNS traffic associated with tunneling techniques used by attackers. Credential phishing. Credential phishing is a type of cyber attack where attacker masquerade as legitimate entities to track individual into divulging sensitive information such as username, password, and financial data. Solution implement email filtering and anti-phishing technology to detect and block phishing emails before they reach user inboxes, reducing the likelihood of successful credential theft. Enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) for accessing sensitive account or system to add an extra layer of security and migrate the risks of unauthorized access even if credentials are distributed denial of service (DOS) attack. DOS attack overwhelm a targeted system or network with a flood of traffic, disrupting normal operation and causing downtime. Attackers utilize botnet or other means to generate massive amount of traffic, exhausting the target resources. Solution: employ DOS migration services or hardware appliances to filter malicious traffic. Configure network infrastructure to handle sudden spikes in traffic. Implement rate limiting and accessing control of abuse. Insider threat involve malicious or negligent action by individual within an organization, posing risk to data security and integrity. Employee, contractors, or partners may intentionally or unintentionally compromise sensitive information or system. Solution: implement access control, at least privilege principle, to limit employee access to sensitive data. Monitor and analyze user behavior for signs of suspicious activity. Conduct regular security awareness training to educate employees about security best practices. Zero-day exploits. Zero-day exploit target previously unknown vulnerability in software or hardware, giving attacker the advantage of exploiting system before a patch is available. Attacker discover and exploit vulnerability before developers can release patches or update to fix them. Solution: employee intrusion detection system to detect and block suspicious behavior. Encourage responsible disclosure of vulnerability to facilitate timely patching. Utilize virtual patching solution to migrate the risk until an official fix is. Data breaches. Data breaches involve unauthorized access to sensitive or confidential information, potentially exposing individual person data or intellectual property. Weak security measures. Weak security measures, insider threat, or targeted attack can lead to unauthorized access to and exfiltration of data. Solution: encrypt sensitive data both in transit and rest to migrate the impact of a breach. Implement robust access control and monitoring to detect and respond to unauthorized respond to unauthorized access attempt, comply with data protection regulation and standard to prevent breaches and migrate their consequences. Malware encompasses various types of malicious software designed to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to computer system or network. Malware can be introduced through infected file, malicious website, and vulnerability in software or operating system. Solution: use reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to detect and remove malicious program. Keep software and system up to date with security patches to migrate unknown and noun vulnerability. Practice safe browsing habits and exercise caution when downloading file or clicking on advanced persistence thread APTS. APTS are sophisticated long-term cyber attack orchestrated by skilled adversaries to infiltrate and maintain unauthorized access to targeted network or systems. Solution: implement defense in depth strategy combining network segmentation, encryption, and intrusion detection. Preservation system conduct regular security assignments and penetration testing to identify and remediate vulnerability. Foster a culture of security awareness and the incident response readiness within the organization. Supply chain attack target the software supply chain, exploiting vulnerability in third-party software or services to compromise the system of end user or organization. Solution: vet and monitor third-party vendor and suppliers for security best practices and compliance with standards. Implement software composition analysis tool and identify and migrate vulnerability in third-party component. Strength authentication and access control to prevent unauthorized access to critical system or data supply chain. Cryptojacking involves the unauthorized use of someone else's computing resources to mine cryptocurrency, often done by infecting computer or website with malware. Solution: employ reverse endpoint security solution to detect and block cryptojacking attempts. Utilize ad blocking and script blocking browser extension to prevent cryptojacking script from executing. Monitor system resources for abnormal spikes in CPU usage. which may indicate cryptojacking. Man in Middle attack, MITM attack. MITM attack involving intercepting communication between two parties to eavesdrop, manipulate, or impersonate either party, compromising the confidentiality and integrity of data. Solution: implement encryption protocols such as HTTPS to secure communication channel and prevent eavesdropping. Use digital certificate and mutual authentication to verify the identity of communication party and detect potential MITM attack. Regularly update network device and software to patch known vulnerability that could be exploited in MITM. Social engineering attacks. Social engineering attack exploit human psychology to manipulate individual into divulging confidential information, providing access to system, or performing action beneficial to the attacker. Solution: provide security awareness training to educate employees about common social engineering tactics and how to recognize and respond to them. Implement strict access control and verification procedure to validate requests for sensitive information or system access. Fileless malware. Fileless malware operates the memory without leaving trace on disk, making it difficult to detect using traditional antivirus and malware solutions. Attackers exploit vulnerability in legitimate software to execute malicious code directly in memory, bypassing file-based detection method. Implement behavior-based detection mechanism to identify suspicious activity in active of fileless malware, monitor system memory and process execution from another anomalies that may indicate fileless malware attack. Utilize EDR solution to continuously monitor and analyze system behavior for sign or compromise. Lot botnet. Lot botnet consists of compromised lot devices infected with malware and controlled by a central command and control CNC server to orchestrate large-scale attacks such as DDoS attacks. Strengthen lot devices security by changing default password, applying security patches, and disabling unnecessary services. Segment lot devices from critical network to limit the impact of compromised devices and prevent lateral movement within the network. Employ network traffic monitoring and anomaly detection to identify and mitigate botnet related. Cross-site scripts in XSS attack. XSS attack involve injecting malicious script into web pages viewing by other user, allowing attacker to execute scripts in the context to their victim browser. Solution: implement input validation and output encoding to sanitize user input and prevent XSS attack. User security headers such as CSP to migrate the impact of XSS attack by controlling the sources from which resources can be loaded. Conduct regular security assignment and code review to identify and remediate XSS vulnerability in web. Identity theft involves the authorized use of someone else's personal or financial information, impersonate them, or commit fraudulent activity. Solution: enable two-factor authentication (MFA) to add an extra layer of security and prevent unauthorized access to account. Monitor financial transaction and credit report for suspicious activity indicative of identity theft. Educate individuals about the importance of safeguarding personal information and practicing good security hygiene to mitigate the risks of identity theft. Data leakage. Data leakage occurs when sensitive or confidential information is unintentionally or maliciously disclosed to unauthorized party, compromising data privacy and integrity. Solution: implement data loss prevention DLP solution to monitor and control the movement of sensitive data within the outside the organization. Encrypt sensitive data at rest and the transit to prevent unauthorized access in case of data leakage. Conduct regular security audit and risk assessment to identify vulnerability and gaps in data protection measures and take corrective action. Business email compromise (BEC). BEC attack target organization to deceive employee into transferring fund, disclosing sensitive information, or performing action beneficial to the attacker by impersonating executive or trusted entity. Solution: implement email authentication mechanisms such as SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to detect and prevent email spoofing and impersonation. Established verification process and authorization control for financial transaction, sensitive information disclosure, and other critical. Mobile malware. Mobile malware refers to malicious software specifically designed to targeted mobile devices such as a smartphone and tablet, compromising their security and privacy. Solution: download app from any official app stores and reputed source of minimize the risks of downloading malicious software. Keep mobile device up to date security patch with security patches and software update to address known vulnerability and security flaw. Install mobile security solutions such as antivirus, anti-malware apps to detect and remove malicious software from device. AI powered cyber attack. AI powered cyber attack average AI and ML algorithm to automate and enhance the capability of traditional cyber attack, making them more sophisticated and evasive. Solution: employ AI-based security solution to detect and respond to AI-powered cyber attack in real time. Enhance security awareness and training program to educate employee about the risks and characteristics of AI-driven attack. Collaborate with industry partner and researcher to develop AI-based defense mechanism and countermeasure against evolving threats. DNS hijacking. DNS hijacking involves redirecting DNS query to malicious server controlled by attacker, enabling them to intercept and manipulate internet traffic, redirect user to phishing site and or launch malicious activity. Solution: use DNS domain name system security extension to cryptographically verify the authenticity of DNS responses and prevent DNS hijacking attack. Implement DNS monitoring and logging to detect unauthorized changes to DNS record and identify potential hijacking attempts. Harden DNS server configuration and apply security best practices to migrate and the risks of DNS hijacking. Physical attack on infrastructure. Physical attack on infrastructure involves sabotaging or demanding critical system facilitate or equipment through physical means such as vandalism, theft or tampering. Solution: implement physical security measures such as access control, surveillance, camera and perimeter fencing to protect critical infrastructure from unauthorized access and tampering. Conduct regular security assignment and audit to identify and remediate physical vulnerability in infrastructure components. Cyber sponges. Cyber sponges involves stealing sensitive information, intellectual property, or classified data from government agency, corporate or individual or political, economics or strategic purposes. Solution: implement robust network technology, network security measures such as encryption, intrusion detection system, and data loss prevention solution to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Monitor network traffic and user activity for indicators for compromise. IOCs associated with cyber sponges activity such as reconnaissance, data exfiltration, or lateral movement. AI powered deepfake. AI powered deepfake are artificial intelligence algorithms to generate highly realistic fake image or videos or audio recording, often used for disinformation, fraud, and blackmailing purposes. Solution: developed and deploy AI-based detection tool and algorithm to identify the mitigate deepfake content across various online platforms and communication channels. educate the public about the existence and potential dangers of deepfake technology to raise awareness and critical thinking skill, collaborate with technology companies, research institutions, and to establish standards and regulation for the responsible use of deepfake technology and combat its misuse. File encryption Trojans. File encryption Trojan, also known as crypto ransomware, encrypt file on the victim system and demand for a ransom payment on exchange in exchange for the decryption key, extorting money from individual or organization. Solution: implement robust backup and recovery procedure to regularly backup critical data and restore system without paying ransom in the event of crypto ransomware attack. Use endpoint security solutions such as antivirus software and intrusion detection system to detect and block file encryption Trojan before they can encrypt files. Credential stuffing attack. Credential stuffing up attack involve using large sets of solution usernames and password to gain unauthorized access to user accounts across various online services and platforms, exploiting password reuse and weak authentication practices. Solution: enforcement a strong password policy and encourage users to use unique complex password for each online account to mitigate the impact of credential stuffing attack. Implement multi-factor authentication MFA. Implement multi-factor authentication (MFA) mechanisms such as SMS code authenticator app or biometric authentication to add an extra layer of security and prevent unauthorized access to accounts. Bluetooth impersonation attack. Impersonation attack. Bluetooth impersonation attack involve impersonating legitimate Bluetooth device to establish unauthorized connection or gain access to target system or services. Solution: keep Bluetooth enabled device updated with the latest firmware and security patches. Disable unnecessary Bluetooth services and configure device to require manual approval of pairing. Also set visibility to do not visible to others. Monitor Bluetooth traffic and employ intrusion detection system to detect and mitigate impersonation attack. UHB-based attack. UHB-based attack involve exploiting vulnerability in UHB device or port to infect computers, steal sensitive information, or deliver malware payloads, exploiting the convenience and ubiquity of USB technology. Solution: disable auto-run autoplay feature on computers and devices to prevent automatic execution to malicious code when USB devices are connected. USB endpoint security solutions such as antivirus software and intrusion detection system to scan USB device or malware and block malicious activity. Farmjacking attack. Farmjacking attack involve injecting malicious code to e-commerce website to steal payment card detail entered by user during online transaction, compromising their financial information. Solution: implement web application firewalls to detect and block farmjacking attempt by filtering malicious requests and scripts. Encrypt sensitive data such as payment card detail during transmission to prevent interception by attackers by conducting farmjacking. Watering hole attack. Watering hole attack involve compromising legitimate website frequent by targeted individual or organization and injecting malicious code to infect visitor device and with malware, exploiting trust and familiarity. Solution: use web content filtering and reputation based security solution to block access to non-malicious website and prevent user from inadvertently visiting compromised sites. Implement browser isolation or sandboxing technique to contain and mitigate the impact of potential malware infection resulting from watering hole attack. Supply chain compromise. Supply chain compromise involve in filtering and tampering with the supply chain, infecting legitimate software or component distributed to end user with malware or backdoors, compromising their security. Solution: vet and verify secure practices to software vendor and third-party suppliers to ensure the integrity and trustworthiness of software and components integrated into the supply chain. Implement code signing and digital certificate to verify the authenticity and integrity of software update and components distributed through the supply. Voice phishing. Voice phishing attack involve using phone call or voice messages to deceive individual into disclosing sensitive information such as password, a personal identification number, PIN, or financial detail over the phone. Solution: implement caller ID authentication and verify mechanism to validate and identify of caller and detect a spoofed or fraudulent phone number to use in phishing attack. Encourage individual to verify the legitimacy of unexpected or suspicious call by contacting the organization or individual directly through official channel before disclosing sensitive information. Deep Pocket Inspection DPI evasion. Deep Pocket Invasion DPI evasion technique involve circumventing network security measures such as firewalls or intrusion detection preservation system by obfuscating or encrypting malicious traffic to evade detection. Solution: deploy advanced threat detection and analysis tool capable of decrypting and inspecting encrypted traffic for sign of malicious activity while maintaining privacy and compliance with data protection regulation. Implement network segmentation and access control to restrict the flow of traffic between network segments and prevent lateral movement by hackers. Browser-based cryptojacking. Browser-based cryptojacking involves leveraging JavaScript-based cryptocurrency mining script embedded in website to hijack visitors' CPU resource and mine cryptocurrency without their consent or knowledge. Solution: use browser extension or security tool to detect and block cryptojacking exploit running in web browser and prevent unauthorized cryptocurrency mining activity. Educate website owner about the risks of hosting cryptojacking scripts on their site and encourage them to implement measures such as CSP or script blocking techniques. The threat. Simultaneous multi-threading (SMT) side channel attack. Simultaneous multi-threading (SMT) side channel attack exploit hardware vulnerability and miss microarchitectural flaws in process to leak sensitive information across CPU cores thread sharing the same physical and core resources. Solution: Applying microcode updates, firmware patches, and software migration provided by CPU vendor to address known vulnerability and protect against SMT side channel attack targeting processor microarchitectures. Firmware vulnerability refers to secure weakness and exploitable flaw present in low-level software embedded in hardware devices, such as BIOS, UEFI, or device firmware, which can be exploited to compromise system integrity and security. Solution: Solution: regularly update firmware and apply security patches provided by device manufacturer to migrate known vulnerability and address security flaw present in firmware code. Implement secure boot mechanism, firmware integrity verification, and code searching to prevent tampering, unauthorized modification. Mobile apps snooping. Mobile app snooping involves creating fake or malicious applications that impersonate legitimate app to deceive user into downloading and installing them, potentially leading to that data theft, financial fraud, or device compromise. Solution: download mobile apps from the official app store such as Google Play Store or Apple App Store. If you are using Windows, you download Windows App Store to maintain the risk of installing counterfeit or malicious application. Enable app verification setting and security feature on mobile device and detect and block the installation of untrusted or potentially harmful app from devices. Cloud service misconfiguration occurs when cloud resources, storage buckets, databases, or server instances are improperly configured, exposing sensitive data, assets, or infrastructure or to unauthorized access, data breaches, or exploitation. Solution: conduct regular cloud security assignments, configure audit and compliance check to identify and remediate misconfiguration, vulnerability, and security gaps in cloud infrastructure and services. Data exfiltration through stenography. Data exfiltration through stenography involves concealing sensitive information or convert communication within digital image, audio file, or other media objects to evade detection and exfiltrate data from compromised system or network. Solution: deploy network monitoring, data loss prevention (DLP), and advanced threat detection solution capable of analyzing multimedia content, inspecting file attributes, and detecting stenographic payloads or convert adversarial machine learning attack. Adversarial machine learning attack manipulate or deceive machine learning module by exploiting vulnerability in the model training data or algorithm. Solution: regularly update and retain mechanism learning model with diverse and representative data sets. Implement a robust validation technique to detect and filter out adversarial input, employ adversarial training and model ensembling to enhance model resilience against attack. App Store fraud. App Store frauds involves manipulation of app ranking, review, or download to deceive user or game algorithm or financial gain or reputation. Solution: implement a strict review process and fraud detection mechanism in App Store platform. Educate user about the risk of downloading app from untrusted sources. Collaborate with App Store operators and cybersecurity experts to investigate and remove fraudulent apps. Insufficient security patching. Sufficient security patching refer to the failure to apply a timely update, patches or fixes to address known vulnerability, and such security follows in software system or devices, exposing them to exploitation by attackers. Solution: implement automated patch Implement automated patch management solution, vulnerability scanner, and configuration management tool to identify, prioritize, and apply security patches promptly across its IT infrastructure, minimizing the window of exposure to known vulnerability. Automated brute force attack. Automated brute force attack systematically guess password or authentication credential using automated tool to gain unauthorized access to account systems. Solution: enforce a strong password policies and multi-factor Enforce a strong password policies and multi-factor authentication to mitigate the risk of successful brute force attack. Implement account lockout mechanism and rate limiting to prevent repeated login attempts. Monitor logging attempts and detect suspicious pattern indicative of brute force attack. Blockchain vulnerability. Blockchain vulnerability refer to weakness or flaw in blockchain network or protocols that can be exploited by attacker to compromise the integrity, confidentiality, or availability of decentralized system. Solution: conduct regular security audits and penetration testing of blockchain network. Follow best practice for secure smart contract development and deploy decentralized governance mechanism. Enhance network resilience by diversifying validator nodes and implementing robust consensus protocol. Whaling attack. Whaling attack, also known as CEO fraud or business email compromise (BEC), target high-profile individual or executive within organization, impersonating them to deceive employee to transferring funds, disclosing sensitive information, or performing fraudulent action. Solution: implement email authentication protocols such as SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to verify sender authenticity, detect email spoofing. Detecting email spoofing and prevent domain impersonation attack used in whaling campaigns. Logic bombs are malicious code, a snippet or software component embedded with legitimate application script or system program to execute a destructive action or trigger a malicious payload when a specific condition or trigger are met. Solution: implement code review, statistic analysis, and secure coding practices to identify and remove suspicious or malicious code fragments, including potential logic bomb from software application scripts and automated workflow. File encryption ransomware. File encryption ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts files to entire system, rendering them inaccessible to user until a ransom is paid to a attacker whom promise to provide the decryption key upon payment. Employment robust backup and disaster recovery procedure to regularity backup critical data and system, enabling organization to restore file from unaffected backup in the e- event of file encryption. Ransomware infection, reducing the incentive to pay ransomware to attack. Biometric spoofing. Biometric spoofing, also known as biometric presentation attack, involves the use of fake biometric data such as fingerprint, facial image, or iris scan to deceive biometric authentication system and gain unauthorized access to secure device application or facility. Solution: employ liveness detection, biometric anti-spoofing technique, and multi-factor authentication (MFA) to enhance the resilience of biometric system against presentation attack, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of biometric data captured during the authentication. Eavesdropping passive surveillance. Eavesdropping, also known as passive surveillance, involves unauthorized interaction, interception, and monitoring of communication such as network traffic, phone call, or wireless transmission, with the aim of gathering sensitive information or intelligence without the knowledge or consent of the parties involved. Solution: encrypt sensitive communication using a strong encryption password such as SSL, TSL for the web traffic, VPN for remote access, and end-to-end encryption for messaging application to protect data confidentiality and prevent eavesdropping attacks. Voice assistance exploitation. Voice assistance exploitation refer to cyber attack targeting voice activated virtual assistant such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple Siri to manipulate device, extract sensitive information, or compromise user privacy through voice command or audio interaction. Solution: secure voice assistant device with a strong authentication mechanism, voice recognition training, and privacy setting to prevent unauthorized access, restrict voice commands, and enhance user control over voice assistance interaction and data sharing. Multiverse testing, malicious advertising. Multivertising, short for malicious advertising, involves the distribution of malicious code exploit cheat or phishing scam through online advertisement displayed on legitimate website, exploiting vulnerability in ad network, ad exchange, or web browser to compromise visitor devices. Solution: deploy ad blocking software, browser extension, or network level filtering solution to block malicious ad, prevent drive by downloading, and migrate the risks of malvertising infection when visiting website with potentially compromised advertising content. 5G network vulnerability. 5G network vulnerability refer to the security weakness, risk, or exposure inheritance in fifth generation cellular network, including infrastructure component, protocol, or deployment architecture, which adversaries may exploit to launch cyber attacks, intercept communication, or compromise network integrity. Solution: enhance 5G network security through encryption, authentication, and access control mechanism, leveraging technologies such as 5G aka authentication and key agreement, network slicing, isolation, and secure virtualized infrastructure. Credential theft via key logging. Credential theft via key logging involves capturing and recording user keystrokes, logging credential or sensitive information entered via keyboard, virtual keyboard, or touch screen interfaces, compromising user privacy and security. Solution: deploy endpoint security solution, anti-malware tools, and intrusion detection system capable of detecting and blocking key logging activity, preventing the installation of execution of keylogger on compromised system. Backdoor attacks. Backdoor attacks involves the insertion of unauthorized access points into system software system on network, enabling attacks to bypass security control and gain persistent access for malicious purposes. Solution: conduct regular security assignment, code review, and vulnerability scan to identify and remove backdoors from software and system before deployment. Implement network segmentation, intrusion detection, preservation system, IDP, IDS, IPS, and endpoint protection measure to detect and block unauthorized access attempt through the smart contract vulnerability. A smart contract vulnerability are weakness or flaws in blockchain-based smart contracts, allowing attacker to exploit coding error, logic flaws, or design weakness to steal cryptocurrency, manipulate transaction, or disrupt operation. Solution: conduct through code review, static analysis, and formal verification of smart contracts to identify and remediate vulnerability before deployment on blockchain network. Utilize security Best practices and design patterns for a smart contract development, including input validation, access control, and safe fail-safe mechanism. Typo-squatting attack. Typo-squatting attack involve registering domain names similar to legitimate website or brands but containing typographical error or misspellings with the intent to deceive user and exploit their mistake for malicious purposes. Solution: educate user about the risk of typo-squatting attack, advising them to double-check URL, verify website authenticity, and avoid clicking on suspicious links or visiting unfamiliar domain to minimize the likelihood of falling victim to such attack. Zero-click exploit. Zero-click exploits are cyber attacks that require no user integration or engagement to compromise a target device or system, exploiting vulnerability in software protocols or hardware components to execute a arbitrary code or gain unauthorized access silently. Solution: utilize exploit prevention mechanisms such as address space layout randomization (ASLR), data execution preservation (DEP), or control flow integrity (CFI) to throw out memory-based attacks and disrupt exploit. Disrupt exploit chain used in zero-click exploitation techniques. ROP software. ROP software, also known as scareware or fake antivirus, refer to malicious software or application that masquerade as legitimate security tools or utilize deceiving user into purchasing unnecessary software licenses or providing sensitive information. Solution: educate user about common tactics used by rough software, advertising them to verify the authenticity of security alerts, avoid downloading software from untrusted sources, and conduct research before purchasing or installing security products. Use USB rubber ducky attack. Receiving USB rubber ducky attacks involves the use of a specially crafted USB device. Solution: implement endpoint security policy to disable auto-run functionality, restrict USB devices to access to and enforce device whitelisting to prevent unauthorized USB rubber ducky device from executing malicious point system. Remote code execution vulnerability (RCE). This vulnerability attacker to execute attributory code to or commands on target system remotely, often resulting from security flaw in software application, web server, or network protocols that enable unauthorized code execution. Solution: apply security patches, update and software flies promptly to address known RC vulnerability and prevent attacker from exploiting security flaw to execute arbitrary code or commands on vulnerable system. Router exploitation. Router exploitation involves the compromise of network router, gateway, or access points by attacker or gain unauthorized access, intercept traffic, or launch various types of cyber attacks targeting connecting devices to user. Solution: update router firmware regularly, apply security patches, and change default password to mitigate unknown and known vulnerability and strengthen the security posture of network infrastructure against router exploitation. Configure router settings securely, disable unnecessary services, enable firewall protection, and implement a strong authentication mechanism. Bluetooth attack. Bluetooth attack exploit vulnerability in Bluetooth-enabled devices such as smartphone, laptop, load devices to gain unauthorized access, steal data, or compromise device functionality through wireless communication channel. Keep Bluetooth-enabled device updated with latest firmware, security patch to migrate unknown vulnerability and known vulnerability, and strengthen Bluetooth security against exploitation by attacker. Disable Bluetooth functionality when not in use. Enable Bluetooth visibility setting judiciously and avoid pairing with unknown or untrusted devices. Data in interception, data in transit attack. Data interception, also known as data in transit attack, involves the unauthorized interception, eavesdropping, or monitoring of data as it travels across network communication channels or wireless connection, potentially exposing sensitive information to unauthorized parties. Solution: encrypt data transmission using a strong encryption protocol such as SSL, TSL for web traffic, IPsec for VPN connection, and end-to-end encryption for messaging application to protect data confidentiality and integrity against interception of eavesdropping by attacker. Virtual Private Network (VPN) exploitation. VPN exploitation involves exploiting vulnerability in VPN services or protocols to bypass network security control, intercept encrypted traffic, or compromise VPN endpoints for unauthorized access or data exfiltration. Solution: implement multi-factor authentication, MFA, certificate-based authentication, or a strong pre-shared key PSKs to enhance VPN security, prevent unauthorized access, and mitigate the risk of VPN exploitation by adversaries. Keep VPN software and firmware updated with the latest security patches and configuration to migrate unknown vulnerabilities. Malware as a services. Malware as a services refer to the commercialization of malware, where cyber criminals offers malicious software, tool or servicing for sale or rent to other malicious attack actors, enabling them to launch cyber attacks without the need for technical expertise or infrastructure. Solution: enhanced threat intelligence sharing, collaboration with law enforcement agency and public-private partnership to disrupt and dismantle MMAS operation, identify and apprehend mass providers, and mitigate the proliferation of malware as a service offering in the cybercriminal under browser extension vulnerability. Browser extension vulnerability are securely weaknesses in third-party browser extensions that can be exploited by attackers to compromise browser security and execute by attribute code. Security: regularly update browser extension with the latest source of security patch update. Limit the use of browser extension to trusted sources and review extension permission before installation. Implement browser isolation techniques to contain the impact of compromised extension. Catching poison. Cache poisoning is a cyber attack where attacker inject false data into the cache, compromise the integrity of cache information, or redirect user to malicious website. Solution: implement proper input validation and sanitized to prevent injection of malicious content into cache system. Use cryptographic hashing and integrity check to verify the authenticity and integrity of cache data. Regularly monitor cache contents for anomalies and unexpected charges. Caller ID spoofing. Caller ID spoofing is a technique used by attackers to falsify the caller ID information displayed on recipient phone, often to deceive or defraud individuals. Solutions: implement caller authentication mechanisms such as STIR second protocol to verify the authenticity of caller ID information. Educate users about the risks of trusting caller ID information and encourage skepticism when receiving unexpected calls. Deployed anti-spoofing technology and call blocking solutions to detect and prevent caller ID spoofing attempts. Compacting is an unauthorized access and control of victim's webcam or camera embedded device by hackers, often by spying or surveillance purposes. Solution: cover or disconnect webcam when not in use to prevent unauthorized access. Regularly update device firmware and security patches to mitigate known vulnerability exploited by campaigning attack. Utilize endpoint security solution with webcam protection. Webcam protection feature to detect and block unauthorized access attempt. Car hacking. Car hacking involves exploiting vulnerability in modern vehicle. Exploiting vulnerability in modern vehicle electronic control unit ECU or onboard computer system to gain unauthorized access and manipulate vehicle function. Solution: implement secure coding practices and conduct security assessment of vehicle firmware and software. Segment vehicle network and implement network segmentation to isolate critical system. Perform non-essential function, deploy instruction detection and prevention system IDPS to detect and block suspicious activities or unauthorized access attempt in vehicle network. Certificate transparency abuse. Certificate transparency abuse refer to the exploitation of weakness in certificate transparency log to issue fraudulent digital certificate or evade detection. Solution: monitor certificate transparency log for suspicious or unauthorized certificate issuance activity, enforce strict certificate validation policy, and reject certificate non-compliant with certificate transparency requirement. Educate CAS and domain owner about the importance of maintaining transparency logs and promptly reporting anomalies or unauthorized certificate issuance. Clipboard hijacking. Clipboard hijacking is a type of cyber attack where malware or malicious script intercept and modify clip content, often to steal sensitive information such as password or cryptocurrency addresses. Solution: use endpoint security solution with clipboard monitoring capability to detect and block malicious clipboard manipulation. Avoid copying sensitive information to clipboard when unnecessary and utilize secure password manager or cryptographic solution for sensitive data handling. Regularly scan devices or malware and keep securing their software updated to prevent clipboard hijacking. Injection. Click injection fraud. Click injection fraud is a form of mobile ad fraud where attacker manipulate mobile apps to generate fake and ad click attribute to legitimate user interaction and leading to financial loss or advertiser. Solution: employ fraud detection algorithm to identify abnormal click pattern and flag suspicious activity inactive of click interaction fraud. implement secure app development practices to prevent attackers from exploiting vulnerability in mobile apps to manipulate. Command injection. Command injection is a type of cyber attack where attacker exploit vulnerability in web application or operating system to execute arbitrary commands on the underlying system. Solution: implement input validation and output encoding technique to sanitize user input and prevent malicious command injection. Utilize parameterized queries and prepared statements to interact with databases securely and migrate. The risk of SQL injection attack, a common vector for common injection. Regularly update software and patch from vulnerability to prevent attacker from exploiting outdated and unpatched systems. Container escape. Container escape occur when attacker exploit vulnerability in containerization platform or misconfiguration to break out of containerized environment to gain unauthorized access to the underlying host system. Solution: harden container configuration and limit privilege to reduce the attack surfaces and mitigate the risk of container escapes. Utilize container security tools and runtime protection mechanism to monitor container activity and detect anomalous behavior indicative of content security policy. Content security policy (CSP) bypass is a technique used by attackers to circumvent security policy implemented by web application, allowing them to execute malicious script or inject unauthorized content. Solution: implement a robust CSP with strict directives to control the source from which content can be loaded and executed within web pages. Utilize sub-sources integrity (SRI) to verify the integrity of external resources and prevent unauthorized modification or tampering. Data destruction attack. Data destruction attack involve the deliberate destruction or deletion of data assets, rendering them permanently inaccessible or irreversible, often cause significant disruption to business or individual. Solution: implement data backup or disaster recovery strategy to regulate backup critical data and systems. Disaster recovery strategy to regulatory backup critical data and system and facilitate rapid recovery in the event of the data destruction attack. Utilize access control and encryption to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access or tampering by malicious actors. Deploy endpoint security solution with DLP capability to monitor and prevent data destruction attack. Dark web marketplace. Dark web marketplaces are hidden online platforms where legal goods and services including drugs, stolen data, malware and hacking tools are bought and sold anonymously using cryptocurrency. Solution: collaborate with law enforcement agency and cybersecurity expert to monitor and investigate the dark web activity and identify individual or group involved in legal trending. Educate user about the risks associated with accessing or transacting on the dark web marketplace and discourage engagement in illegal activities. Digital certificate snooping. Digital certificate snooping involves the creation or manipulation of digital certification to improve legitimate entity or website, allowing attacker to conduct phishing, man-in-the-middle, or the other malicious activity. Solution: deploy certificate revocation mechanisms such as certificate revocation list CRLS or online certificate status protocol OCSP to verify the validity of digital certificates and detect spoofed certificate. Utilize certificate transparency log and monitoring tool to detect unauthorized certificate issuance or suspicious changes to certificate metadata. DNSSE misconfiguration. DNSSE misconfiguration occurs when domain name system security extension DNSSE are improperly configured, leading to vulnerability that could be exploited by attacker to conduct DNA snooping or cache poisoning attack. Solution: implement proper DNSSEC deployment practices and adhere to DNSSE configuration best practices provided by authoritative bodies and standard organization. Regularly audit DNSSE configuration and monitor DNS traffic for signs of DNSSE-related anomalies or security incidents. Domain generation algorithm DGA attacks. Domain generation algorithm DGA attacks involve the use of algorithm to generate a large number of domain names that malware can use to establish command and control C&C communication channel with botnets, making it difficult for security system to block or detect malicious traffic. Solution: implement DNS sinkholing technique to redirect traffic from unknown malicious domain to a control server for analysis and mitigation. Email spoofing. Email spoofing is a technique used by attacker to forge the sender email address, making it appear as if the email originated from legitimate source, often to deceive recipient into divulging sensitive information or performing malicious action. Solution: implement email authentication mechanisms such as SPF, Sender Policy Framework, DKIM, Domain Key Identify Mail, and DMARC, Domain Based Message Authentication Reporting and Conference, to verify the authenticity of email senders and detect a spoofed email. Utilize email filtering solution and anti-phishing tool. Emulation detection evasion refer to technique used by malware to detect and evade analysis environments such as sandboxes or virtual machines by identifying specific emulation artifacts or such as sandbox or virtual machine by identifying specific emulation artifacts or behavior and altering their execution to avoid detection or analysis. Solution employ dynamic analysis techniques such as memory introspection and code emulsion to detect and analyze malware behavior without relying solely on emulation environments. Implement a stealthy emulation environment that simulate realistic user interaction and system behavior to deceive malware into revealing its true intent. Exploitation of zero-day vulnerability. Exploitation of zero-day vulnerability involve attacker exploiting previously unknown security vulnerability in software or hardware system to gain unauthorized access, execute attributory code to or perform other malicious action before vendor release patches or security update. Solution implementation, instruction detection and prevention system IDPS to detect and block suspicious network traffic associated with zero-day exploitation attempt utilize threat intelligence feed and vulnerability scanning tool to identify system potentially vulnerability to zero-day exploits and prioritize patching or migration efforts. GPS spoofing. GPS spoofing is a cyber attack where attackers manipulate GPS signal to deceive GPS receiver, causing them to provide inaccurate location information, which can lead to navigation error, disruption in critical infrastructure, or physical harm. Solution implement cryptographic authentication and integrity verification mechanism in GPS signal to detect and prevent GPS spoofing attack. Utilize GPS receiver with anti-spoofing capability and multi-constellation support to improve resilience against signal in manipulation and interference. HTTP parameter pollution HPP. HPP parameter pollution. HPP parameter pollution. HPP is a web security vulnerability where attacker manipulate HTTP request parameter to bypass input validation mechanism, inject malicious payload or alter application behavior, leading to various attacks such as SQL injection or cross-site scripting excesses. Solution: implement service-side input validation and centralization to ensure that only expected and properly formatted parameters are processed by web applications. Utilize secure coding practices and frameworks that automatically handle parameter encoding and validation to migrate the risk of HPP vulnerability. Insecure deserialization. Deserialization. Insecure deserialization is a vulnerability where untrusted data is deserialized by an application, potentially leading to remote code execution, denial of service, DOS, or data tampering attack if the deserialization process is not properly secured. Solution: implement input validation and integrity checks on serialized data to prevent tampering or exploitation or deserialization vulnerability. Utilize serialization library and framework with built-in security lectures such as whitelisting or sandboxing to migrate the risk of insecure deserialization. Internet routing attack. Internet routing attack involve the manipulation of routing protocols or the border gateway protocol BGP to redirect traffic, hijack IP address or disrupt network connectivity, potentially leading to service outage, data interception or traffic interception. Solution: implement BGP security mechanisms such as resource public key infrastructure RPKI and BGP root origin validation ROV to authenticate root announcement and prevent root hijacking. Utilize network monitoring tool to detect an anomalies or suspicious routing behavior and respond promptly to migrate the impact of routing attack. Load ransomware. Load ransomware is a type of malware that target Internet of Things load device, encrypting device that the lock device functionality and demanding the ransom payment or in exchange for decryption key or device control. Solution: segment load network from critical infrastructure and enterprise network to contain the spread of ransomware infection and limit the impact on business operation. Regularity update load devices firmware and apply secure patches provided by device manufacturer to mitigate known vulnerability exploited by ransomware. Load replay attack. Load replay attack involve capturing and replaying legitimate communication between load devices and backend server to impersonate authorized users, bypass authentication mechanism or perform unauthorized action. Solution: implement secure communication protocols such as transport layer security TLS with mutual authentication to prevent reply attacks and ensure the integrity and confidentiality of load device communication. Utilize time-based on nonce-based authentication token to prevent reply or outdated or previously used authentication. Key recovery attacks. Key recovery attacks involve attempts to retrieve encryption key from compromised or insecurely stored key response repository, enabling attacker to decrypt sensitive data, impersonate legitimate user to perform unauthorized action. Solution: implement a strong encryption algorithm and key management practices to protect encryption key and prevent unauthorized access to disclosure. Utilize hardware security modules, HSMS, or trusted execution environments (TE) to security store encryption key and perform cryptographic operation, reducing the risk of key recovery attack. Live migration attack targeted virtualized environment where live migration technology are used to move virtual machine VMS between physical hosts, exploiting vulnerability in migration protocol or hypervisor configuration to gain unauthorized access to disrupt VMS operation. Solution: implement network segmentation and access control to restrict live migration traffic and prevent unauthorized VM migration between hosts. Utilize encryption and authentication mechanism to secure live migration traffic and protect VM machine and data during migration operation. Memory scraping malware. Memory scraping malware, also known as RAM scraper, targeted the volatile memory, RAM, or compromised system of hardware sensitive data such as credit card number, password, or encryption key from running process or application memory space. Solution: implement endpoint security solution with memory protection feature to detect and block memory scraping, malware infection, and prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data in system memory. Utilize application whitelisting and code signing to prevent the execution of unauthorized or untrusted process that may attempt to scrape memory content. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.